Here we are at a national park in Korea, and look how beautiful and green it is.
Gorgeous.
And this is our trail we're taking.
Yes. Please, guys, don't look at your cheeks. The thing I want to say though, this entire area here is, look at how nicely done this is.
The stones.
Very, very nice. Most hikes and trails don't have this level of craftsmanship. Really nice. Two waterfalls?
You going down? You're doing two?
Yeah, well, I mean, I believe they're like right across from each other. So we'll find out if we can jump into one. If we do, she's jumping in. Look at that. About to take the trolley way up there. Look at that. The old school stuff.
To one of the big waterfalls here at the park, and it's beautiful, and the hike was well worth it. Took a lot of sweat and rocks to climb up here, but one thing I should mention to you guys is that you cannot swim in this pond thing there. They just won't allow it, probably to keep it like clean or something like that. So yeah, just a warning to you guys, if you want to go swimming, you cannot. Sad face, because we both wanted to go swimming.
Yeah. I'm over here sweating, ready to jump in the water. I even took my clothes off.
We have to follow the rules, right? So.
Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, guys, so just be warned, there's even a big sign here posted. You can see from the opposite side.
No.
Even if you don't know Korean, you know what that sign is.
Pictures.
There is a second trail that goes up to more waterfalls, but obviously it's like,
Probably still no swimming.
it might take the fun away just for the fact that you're probably coming here thinking, okay, you know, I'm from LA, or I'm thinking I'm from another country where we're allowed to jump into the water. They really, really care about their ecosystem here. So who knows if it's because of the fish or some kind of environmental reason. They just don't want Korean people jumping in the water.
Oh, there's just rocks over there.
Look at that.
Zoom in on the rocks.
Look at that.
So somebody went over there and did that.
Yeah.
Somebody went over there illegally.
So that means that I'm going to have to do the same. Just playing, just playing.
Yeah, you can dip your feet in the water along the way to get to there.
Guys, don't do it. Even though I'm going to, do not follow my example. Yes. But
Even a bad influence.
that is true. All right, guys. Well, we're going to let you go. We're going to go hike back down the hill. It should only be 1.5 miles.
That was easy.
Yeah, very, very... Oh,
very
if you were going to rate this hike on difficulty level, what would you say?
1 being like easy, or what?
Yeah, and then 10 being like the hardest.
Man, with all those stairs and like nice trails, easy, like a 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, so easy.
Yeah.
I mean, there are some like big rocks you have to watch out for, and some strenuous kind of activity that's gonna get your heart pumping.
Right. There was a lot of stairs.
Lots of stairs.
But really, really nice stairs. We're talking those
really,
kind.
Really simple.
Check that out. See, not bad at all.
Not bad at
And
all.
in fact, the quality of these
Very
stairs
sturdy.
is exactly. You can see everybody coming up already.
Some bridges. It's very well built.
Guys, we're gonna head down. Talk to you soon. 9.6. We're almost there.
Tunnels. Oh, the tunnels. This is a long one. car talks to us in her lovely lady voice.
Oh, this is some nice lighting right here.
Oh, that's pretty. Just one section.
Oh my love, before that, I hope they don't make us pay.
They will. I know the ones in America are $30 to get in, unless you have a pass.
카드를 넣어주세요.
Do it just charge us, or is it free? Maybe it's free here. That'd be nice.
That would be really, really nice.
Doubt it though.
This looks beautiful though. Look at those hills.
It looks like it'd be cold outside,
It's not.
but it's really hot.
Yeah. Could not give you any kind of measurement of, I don't know, Celsius.
You don't know Celsius?
27 Celsius.
That's too hot. That's not 27. It's more like 20.
No, that's accurate.
20.
That's an accurate assessment of the car.
From the car?
Yeah.
Oh,
You said that's too hot?
that's too hot. Maybe because it's not sunny. That's like,
Yeah, that is pretty warm.
that's like 90 or something.
Is it really?
Or something. Maybe I could be off. It feels like
Like a brisk
like
85?
85, yeah. 27 is like up there. It's not 90, it's like high 80s. I was gonna guess like 25.
And it's not fluctuating either. It's been consistent 27.
Oh. That's cute.
Ooh, how cool is that?
Gangwon Forestry Exhibition. Look at those cute squirrels.
It's like a little
Or
bunny.
something.
Got like a koala
On
on the
an
far
owl.
left. They got the nerdy one right
Which
there in
one's
the
the
middle.
koala?
It's the far left.
Oh. With the little tooth?
Yeah, and big tail.
And that second one, yeah, so it looks like an owl with the glasses, and then it looks like a flying squirrel, the sugar glider there. And then the other one looked like something else.
God only knows what that is.
What they actually were.
Oh, these people are living in containers out here. Crazy.
Wild.
Some greenhouses, alright.
It just looks abandoned.
There are several speed bumps ahead.
Several.
Really monitor their speed out here. Even in the more rural areas like this.
What is that sign? Oh, I think that was
speed bump.
that was a sign for speed bumps.
Like, we see the speed bumps, we don't need to have another sign for it.
That was funny.
South Korea is definitely not the place you want to stretch your car legs, for sure. You buy a Ferrari out here, it's just literally for show.
A speed bump is ahead.
Speed bump sign. Never seen a speed bump sign.
Okay, we got corn over here on the left.